Section 11, example 1, sketch the graph of y equals x minus 3 whole squared plus 1. On your sketch, show clearly the coordinates of the turning point and the point of intersection with the y-axis. Well, the first thing is we've got the completed square of a function here. Now, what we can immediately say in terms of the basic shape is if we were to expand out that squared bracket, we would get a positive x squared term. A positive x squared term means that the parabola, which is that shape there, is U-shaped, so we know that immediately. Now, if I write down the completed square, again, x minus 3 all squared plus 1, we're now looking to find the turning point. Now, the turning point can be easily gotten from this function when the completed square is in front of us. So all you need to do with that one is the number inside the bracket becomes the x coordinate of the turning point, but you change its sign, so minus 3 becomes 3. The number outside the bracket is the y coordinate of the turning point, and you don't change its sign. So now we've got the basic shape of the curve and we've got its turning point. The next thing that we need is where does the curve cut the y-axis? Now, what's always true in the y-axis is x is equal to 0. So I would communicate that to the examiner. So if you think about on the y-axis, what's always true is on the y-axis, something that's always true is that the x coordinate is equal to 0. So we can then plug that x equals 0 back into the equation and get a y coordinate. So if I do so, where I see x, I'm going to replace it with 0. That'll be 0 minus 3 all squared plus 1. 0 minus 3 is minus 3. Square it. Minus 3 squared is minus 3 times minus 3, that's 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So I know that I cut the y-axis at 10. I know that it's a U-shaped parabola, and I know that my turning point is 3, 1, and that's all the information I need. So I would get my ruler at this point and sketch the thing out. So make sure that the basic bit about where is the turning point 3, 1, make sure you get the right quadrant. So 3, 1 is definitely going to be around about here. In terms of where does it cut the y-axis, we found that out as well. The sketch isn't the best, but we can see clearly that we cut the y-axis at 10. So if I just go through all the information, I've got the basic shape of the curve, I've got the turning point, and I've got where I cut the y-axis. I've got everything I need, and that'll pick me up with 3 marks for that question. That's question done.